Reaching a verdict today in the Tampa dog park trial. Good evening, everyone. Welcome in to ABC Action News at 5. I'm Paul Legrone.
And I'm Lauren St. Germain. Thanks for joining us. Within the past hour, the jury found Gerald Declan Radford not guilty of second-degree murder in the shooting death of Walt Lay at West Dog Park last year. I-Team investigator Adam Walser has been covering this story since the very beginning. He joins us now live tonight from the Hillsborough County Courthouse. Adam.
Well, Lauren and Paul, you keep in mind that from the very beginning, this was a circumstantial case because there were no eyewitnesses. There was no video available. So it all depended on some character witnesses and some of the physical evidence. Now, remember that back in December, the judge in the case ruled against Gerald Declan Radford's claim of stand your ground, that he shot Walt Lay in self-defense, but the jury had another verdict.
The victim is dead. Gerald Radford killed him. Gerald Radford was a hateful, spiteful person.
Prosecutor Justin Diaz asked jurors to convict Gerald Declan Radford of second-degree murder.
Happy Wednesday.
For fatally shooting Walt Lay at West Dog Park last February. In a case with no surveillance video or eyewitnesses, one key piece of evidence was a video Lay sent to a friend the day before he was shot, saying Radford threatened him.
We're the only two here, and he comes up to me and screams at me, "You're gonna die. You're gonna die."
John Walter Lay is speaking from the grave. You're going to die. You're going to die.
On Wednesdays, prosecutors called other parkgoers to the stand, who testified Radford often taunted Lay because he was gay.
Deck would say, "Well, here comes the kid,"
and just berating him, calling him slurs, sexual orientation slurs.
He called him a more than a couple times. I feel like 4, 5, 6 times.
Well, he's calling him a and things like that.
Diaz read jurors Radford's testimony from a December Stand Your Ground hearing.
This all started when I'm not supposed to volunteer information.
No, go ahead. I can't wait to hear this.
Fine. He asked me to go out for a beer with him, and I said no.
He told you the victim, who's a gay man, asked him out for a beer, and that's where it all unraveled.
Offensive, yes. Wrong, absolutely, to say. But they do not make a killer.
Radford's attorney, Matthew Futch, says his client shot Lay in self-defense after Lay attacked him. He played the 911 tape Radford made to law enforcement during closing arguments as Radford wiped away tears.
And I had to defend myself. I had to shoot somebody.
Futch criticized the investigation and said public pressure led the state attorney's office to decide to charge Radford.
Reach after reach after reach, asking you to use your emotions to convict Mr. Radford of a crime they have not proven.
Well, and clearly the jury didn't believe that the state did prove that case. We did get a statement here from the state attorney's office. They say in part, while it is not the outcome we sought, we are proud to stand with Walt's friends and family as we fought for justice together. The fact that this victim was forced to endure hatred and prejudice for the defendant based on his sexual orientation shows that our society still has progress to make toward equality. I'm reporting live from downtown Tampa. Adam Walser, ABC Action News.